All right, your assignment is a stump. It's a very small assignment. This is a small section, a small chapter. Basically what I want you to do is start practicing, and it's important to just get in there, really. Just get in there, practice, and fail, and keep practicing. So if I haven't covered something in this unit was just about making a base mesh and starting to go at it. That's really the key when it comes down to it. It's not a lot of like terminology. It's not a lot of like this button does this and this button does that. No, you really just got to get in there and start doing it. So we'll have a few more chapters, of course, but the key thing to all these chapters are practice, and just going out and looking at reference and going to explore, taking pictures, and all that good stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the unit. Here's my stump. So I hope you didn't get stumped making your stump. And I'll see you in the next chapter.